Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to my channel. This is Kaduna Pikin. So I'll be doing a quick video. I've got a series of questions on how to recharge using cryptocurrency, which is the USDT. Now on Qubit platform, you can either make deposit or recharge your wallet using a TRC20 network or ERC20 network. TRC20 network, that's Tron network, while the ERC is for Ethereum network. However, the demo I'll be doing for you this evening is actually on the TRC20 network because the transfer fee is usually around $1 or so. But if you want to deposit using the ERC20, which is Ethereum network, you might be depositing a $10 worth of USDT and then you'll be charged $15 for transfer fees, which is very bad. So this is what you do. First of all, if you look at above your balance, you can see the recharge button. So I'll click on the recharge. The next page you would see we have the first is the TRC20 network, and then second is the ERC20 network. So I'll click on the first one, which is TRC20 network. When you click on it, what you're supposed to do is to type the quantity of US dollar you want to be transferring from any of your exchange or wallet. So let's say we're transferring from our Bybit uh, exchange. So let me just type, for example, $20. I want to be depositing $20 worth of USDT. So I'll click on confirm and then I'll wait for QBC to generate a wallet address for me where I can use to send the US dollar. So you can see below you have the button to copy, the black button which has copy on it. When you click on it, copy, you can see copied successfully. So this is the wallet address you'll be sending USDT. And remember the network you have to use is TRC20 network. If you use any other network, your money will be lost. Like you won't get the money won't be deposited into your QBC account. So all I need to do now is to minimize, and then I go to my Bybit. So I click on Bybit. Let me use my fingerprint to open my Bybit, and then I wait for Bybit to open. First, I go to, let's say I'm going to asset. So you can see first when Bybit launch, you will see your home page. So you click on asset, which is the last icon bottom on the bottom, the last icon to the right, bottom right, you can see assets. So you click on assets and then it takes you to this page. Here you can see deposit, withdraw, and transfer. So since we are withdrawing USDT from Bybit to QBC, so you click on withdraw. And then remember, we've gotten our wallet address already. So what are we withdrawing? You can search here. You can see I don't have USDT currently, but you can search here on the search bar USDT. Let me remove this to hide zero balance. So you can see USDT. I click on USDT, which is the first one. Here, you can see the first option is address. So the address we copied from our Qubit platform, we'll paste it here. So I paste the address. You can see it. Let me remove this information so that you see. And then the network, remember the network you have to choose is the TRC20 network. So you click on the TRC, which is the second one. The first one you are seeing is the ERC20, which is the Ethereum network, and then it's not good. You can see the transfer fee is already $8. That's the fee for transfer. That's why I told you the transfer fee or charges they are usually high. So, but for TRC20, you can see the transfer fee is also 1.3 US dollar. So I'll click on the second one, and then that is all. Here you type the amount of USDT since we've selected 20. So you type 20 here. So you type 20 US dollar, and then because I don't have up to that 20 US dollar to transfer, to withdraw, that's why you're seeing this red icon. So you go down and then you select. If it's on your funding wallet, you select funding. If it's on your spot wallet, you select spot account. Then you scroll down. If you have up to the $20 worth of USDT that you want to make withdrawal, this withdraw button will be active. Then you click on this withdraw button and then you enter the code that will be sent to your email address. Once you are done entering the code or the Google Authenticator, you are done. So you can just wait for a few minutes and then you go back to, once the withdrawal is successful on Bybit, you go back to your Qubit platform, and then in just some few minutes after the transaction is being confirmed, you'll see your balance reflecting here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and then drop your comments and ask any questions you want me to address. Thank you.